Okay, so today I'm gonna replace this electric water heater, which is working very well, but PG&E raised the price, so it costs a lot to run with this gas. And this one is 40 gallons. And this one here is 1/2 inch. We need to turn off the electricity. First thing we gotta do is to turn off the water. Okay, so we need to drain the water. In order for the water to come out, you got to release the valve for the air to go in. Okay, so we use a 24-inch gas line, and it's 1/2 to 1/2. So the old one, the 1/2, and we put in the water. That's it. Tomorrow, we're gonna need to put the vent to the chimney. So turn on the water. You can hear it's surging. I better check and make sure there's no leak. Okay, so there's no leak here. No leak here. Make sure we turn on the water all the way. To screw it in here. And also on the other side. Okay, to make sure the tank is full, turn on the hot water. Make sure all the air come out. Wow, a lot of air. Whoa. Okay, so now we can turn on the pilot. And the furnace. Okay, so right now it's off. Turn it on pilot. So when it's blinking blue, that means it's good. So we can turn on the setting. Yeah, you can see the fire